Hello guys, and here in this presentation we are going to discuss about trigonometric ratios of multiple angles. So here in this section we are going to derive the value of trigonometric ratio for the multiple angle, that is 2a is equal to 45 degrees. So that implies we can write here a equal to 22.5 degrees. And now we have to find the value of trigonometric ratios for 22.5 degrees. So in order to find, let us begin with sine. So applying sine on both the sides, we get here sine A, which is equal to sine 22.5 degrees. And here by using the formula of sine A, which is equal to under root 1 minus cos 2a divided by 2. So here by just replacing a with 22.5, we get here under root 1 minus cos 2a. So 2a is nothing but the multiple angle 45 degrees. So here we get 1 minus cos 45 degrees divided by 2. And here we already know the value of cos 45 degrees, which is equal to 1 by root 2. So by substituting the value of cos 45 degrees, we get here under root 1 minus the value of cos 45, which is 1 by root 2 divided by 2. And here we can write this as under root, and here root 2 will become the denominator. So we get here root 2, and in the numerator we get root 2 minus 1, then whole divided by 2. So that implies we get here under root 2 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2. And now let us multiply the numerator as well as the denominator with root 2. So here by multiplying we get under root 2 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2 into root 2 by root 2. So here by multiplying we get under root 2 into root 2 will become 2 here, minus 1 into root 2 will become minus root 2 divided by 2 into root 2 into root 2, which becomes 2 here. So we get 2 into 2 in the denominator. So that implies we can write this as square root of 2 minus root 2 divided by square root of 2 into 2, which is 4. So that implies we get here under root 2 minus root 2 divided by the square root of 4, which is 2. So hence this is the value for sine 22.5 degrees, or we can also say the value of the multiple angle 45 degrees. So hence we derived the value for sine 22.5 degrees, which is equal to under root 2 minus root 2 by 2, and make a note of the formula, which is sine A is equal to under root 1 minus cos 2a divided by 2. And now let us proceed and discuss the value for cos 22.5 degrees. So in order to find the value for cos 22.5 degrees, which is in the form of cos A. So here by using the formula of cos A, which is given by under root 1 plus cos 2a by 2. So by using this formula, we get here under root 1 plus cos 2a, which is nothing but cos 45 degrees divided by 2. And now by substituting the value of cos 45 here, we get under root 1 plus 1 by root 2 divided by 2. And here by simplifying, we get under root 2 plus 1 divided by both the denominators, that is 2 into root 2. And now let us multiply this with root 2 in the numerator as well as in the denominator. So here by multiplying, we get under root 2 into root 2 will become 2 here. So we get 2 plus 1 into root 2, which will be root 2 here, divided by 2 into 2 root 2 into root 2, which will become here 4. So that implies we get here under root 2 plus root 2 by the square root of 4, which is 2 here. So this is the value for cos 22.5 degrees. So hence we derived the value for cos 22.5 degrees, which is equal to under root 2 plus root 2 divided by 2. So make a note of the formula, that is cos 22.5 degrees is equal to under root 2 plus root 2 divided by 2, and the formula for cos A is equal to under root 1 plus cos 2a by 2. So learn all these formulas, as these formulas are useful in deriving the values for trigonometric ratios of some more multiple angles, and they are also useful for solving examples on trigonometry. Hope you understood the concept. Refer to more videos on trigonometry on our website vteachacademy.com. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.